What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at an undisclosed location. Never fished here before. I have some shiners. Heard there's lots of pike in this place, so let's see if we can't hook up on one. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. Let's see if we can't get lucky down here. Like I said, I've never fished here before. Technically, you're not allowed to fish here, but as you can see, there's trails all through here and garbage from people being down here, which is ridiculous. I was told there's a lot of pike down this place. Not too sure if it's in this side pond here or if it's in the main body of water. But we'll give this spot a try first before we head over to the bigger spot. I don't know if you can see it, but on that tree overhanging the water down there, there's a huge wasp or hornet's nest. I believe it would be a wasp. I mean, this seems like a nice body of water. Seems like it would hold some good fish. Some big bass. Fish on. Yes. Little largy. I didn't even feel him hit that. I was rolling it in real slow. Nice little largy. Small guy, but hey, it's a fish. Fish on. Alright, ready? Fish on. Yes. Fish number 2, boys. Come on, stop. There we go. Fish number 2. Little small, largemouth, but hey, we'll take it. There it goes. Got him. Another bass. Third of the day. Quit. Right on top of the mouth. I don't know if this is the same fish or not. Number 3. Looks good to me. Little, but hey. Fish on. There we go. Give it a second to take it before we try and hook them. Ready? Let's get them. Fish on. Oh, this is a better one here, boys. Oh yeah, baby. Nicer. Bigger largemouth here, guys. Quit. Now that's a better fish right there, boys. It's the biggest one of the day. There we go. Let them take it. All right, let's get them. Got them. Was able to get my shiner back from that one. All right, man, stop bouncing. Come on, settle down. I'll let you go. Another little guy, but hey. Fish on. Boom, fish on, baby. Oh, there he goes. He just missed it. He's swiping it. I don't know if you guys could see that. Got him. Oh, he just came off. He's right there. There we go. Fish on. Got him. Oh, we got a nice crappie here. Yes. All right, fellas, stop. Stop. Let you go too. Nice crappie, nice black crappie. Look at that guy. Oh, my fault. He looks like a white one. Really nice. First crappie of the year. Alright guys, let's see if we can catch one more and call it a day. It's starting to get dark. I don't know how good the lighting's going to be for the video. Alright, there we go. He's taking it. Fish on. Another largemouth. Quit. Same size as we've been catching all day, but hey. Not complaining. Let's see if we could get one more. I've said one more about 3 times already, but hey, we all know how that goes when you're catching fish. You don't want to stop. Our one more is a female's. I'll be ready in 15 minutes. We know that's not the case. That's like 2 hours later. But it is getting pretty dark. For video's sake, I'll call it a day. But I could stay here and fish all night long. Fish on. Another crappie. Another pretty crappie. I don't know if you guys could see this or not. Alright everyone, we had to call it a day because it got too dark out. As you can see, we had a very good day of fishing. Hooked up with maybe 10 fish total. Best day of fishing so far this year. The bullhead catfish, some crappie, some largemouth bass, all on shiners. Worked out pretty good. Glad I stopped and gave this spot a try. Definitely have to come back here again another day when we have more time. See how good we can do then. If you'd like to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. And drop a comment. Let me know what you thought. Alright guys. Stay tuned for more fishing. Appreciate you stopping by and watching the video. Till next time, peace.